There are some politicians, for some reasons, opportunistic. They feel that it's all about money. And they will tell you, if you can't get them for this amount of money, what you need is more money. And we in ADC, especially the NWC member, we said no. We rejected every offer. At a point, some people cornered me, both in Nigeria and everywhere in the world that I've been to within the last 1 year plus. They cornered me. Oh, you say you're doing a coalition. After your coalition, what will you get? Minister. Assuming we can arrange for you to have 3 ministers now, your own, you say it. You give 2 ministers to other people. And if it's money, you take money, any amount you want. That we are ready to, you can get it now. Why do you want to go this process? The ADC leaders were able to say, no, enough is enough. We want to put our democracy on track again. Our democracy is again on track. And you know what? There's panic. There's panic in everywhere. Because of incompetence, there's panic. You go to the village, there's panic. They are fighting each other. And unfortunately, they've started kidnapping a few of our members, trying to compromise them. And in that process, there are no longer, some of them who allowed themselves to be touched a little bit, they now feel hooked. As we speak, somebody who used to be, you all know what I mean, somebody who used to be one of our state chairman, I think 2 or 3, they booked in Transcorp. Some people who, when they come for meetings before, they cannot afford to pay 3,000 Naira for a tour. They've been taken and booked in Transcorp Hotel, Transcorp, with government money. We don't have security in our country, but these same people now have, each of them has 3 police guards and SSS people, wasting government resources because we want to stampede our democracy. We will not allow that. ADC member, what do you say? Are you going to allow that? No! What we are doing, God has sanctioned, Nigerians have sanctioned it, because I tell you all something. What we are doing has been sanctioned by Nigerians. Because the very first day that we announced the consolidation of our work, and ADC was adopted and announced, and we did a test run. We did a test run by trying to show the kind of quality leadership we want to put in place moving forward. And we unveiled one of our decisions that day at our end of NWC. David Mack as our chairman, for instance, and Ralph Nwosu as secretary, with Bolaji Abdullahi, for instance, as the publicity. You know what happened? Within 1 week, our membership grew from maybe 600 people who were paying membership dues to almost 3 million who started paying membership dues. Nigerians who are paying membership dues. And recently we've been printing membership cards, and each state have told us that we must print minimum of 2 million membership cards for them. You see, there's a reward, my dear brothers and friends and colleagues of NWC. We didn't get money, but for our act, for what we've done, Nigerians have shown that we love the party that you've created. There's no reward system that is better. So when I told you that I'm the happiest man in the world, there was no reward that anybody could have given to us that is better. Our children and great-grandchildren can sleep well. They will look at us, the National Secretary, Alhaji Seydou Baba Abdullahi, my co-pilot particularly, and we persevered, irrespective of all the odds, all the challenges. Your children and grandchildren will be happy with you forever. The National Treasurer, the youngest man in the house at the age of 93, God has kept you alive to see this day, and He will keep you alive. ADC! God will keep you alive until God will keep you alive to see you and ADC enter the villa, and you will invite your grandchildren to the banquet that we hold in the villa. Your Excellency, sir, Alagwa, as a matter of fact, you're going to be one of the people that way. You can see we deliberately kept this table. We deliberately kept it. All of us are going to sit here because I've told my people since yesterday that, come, there's nothing bad with having from the floor. The most spirited place to serve your people is from the floor, when you hold nothing and you give in and you give all you can. That's mark of leadership.